it's incredible. And a dishwasher, oh my God. Yes, thank you, God. I've always worked really hard to get these things, but it never happened. For it to finally happen now, it feels good. Hi, my name is Sarah Willman, and I live at the 31st Street Tiny Homes. 2 years ago, I was living in a slum apartment, a one-bedroom apartment, and I could barely even keep that. Where I was a year ago, I could not even imagine, like I was living in a hotel room. I would not have guessed that I would have had my own house, a 2-bedroom house. Even so much as moving here, they helped me even move in. I can't say enough good about what this place has done for me and what this house has offered me. But when people like Vancouver Housing Authority give you the opportunity like this, I mean, that's huge. That's huge. I never would have guessed anything like this for me. To put pictures up means that's home. Means that's where you're gonna stay. Means that you're not gonna leave. The feeling that came from this is indescribable. The stability, finally feeling that I'm safe. Yes, this is home. I do get to be here. I do get to stay here. This is mine, and I earned it.